and welcome to the channel. My name's Todd. The other day I was over at Aaron's house and we were shooting video on the Haunted Mansion. He still has a lot of the props still up in the garage there, so we were shooting video on how he made some of the props for the party. So, and you can find that video in our video library. It's under Halloween Shop Talk. But what I wanted to do was pull some of those videos out and put them by themselves where he does the explaining on how he made some of the props. So in this video, this will be Aaron describing how he made the spooky lights that we use for the Haunted Mansion. Perhaps maybe it might be something that you might want to add to your next haunt. I hope you enjoy.
So with the light fixtures, I googled Victorian home light fixtures. I found some LED flame lights on Amazon. Once again, Amazon is your best friend when you're planning a Halloween party or really any party that you're planning on decorating. These lights are pretty cheap. You can shop around for the best deals. I used your basic cardboard. If you have a resource of cardboard, you can utilize that, or you can buy cardboard from your local hardware store. I used an X-Acto knife to cut out the details, and then just some spray paint. I chose to use metallic spray paint. It's got metal flakes in it to give it that look like it's actual metal. It's not perfect, but you don't have to be perfect. If you're looking for the creepy, old, antique, it works. It doesn't have to be straight edge. It gives it that rustic look.